everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bet365 application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bet365 app on your Android is easy. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in Bet365 and search. You might not be able to find the application for every countries out there. So, if you don't find it on your Play Store, open up your web browser on your mobile device. In the search box, search for Bet365 APK and pick this first link which will take you to apkpure.com. Tap on Download APK button to download the Bet365 app. Tap Download button again one more time on the next page and tap on the download button in the pop-up. Once the download starts, wait until it finishes. Once the application has been downloaded, tap on the install button to begin the installation process. Once the application is installed, tap on the open button to open the app, and that is how you'll be able to download the Bet365 application right on your Android. Now the application shortcut will be available on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Bet365 application on your Android phone. How to sign up for Bet365 account. Open up a web browser to get started, or you can also open up your Bet365 application. On a web browser, type in the URL www.bet365.com and press enter on your keyboard, and it'll take you to the official web page of Bet365. Bet365 is an online gambling company referring sports, betting, and casino types games. To sign up for a new account, you'll need to click on the join button at the top right, and then select your country of residence from the top of the screen by clicking on this little drop down and selecting your country. Now, right under personal information, select your title. Type in your first name and then your surname. Select your date of birth from the drop down and enter an email address that is accessible to you. Enter your mobile number on the next field. And if you'd like to receive information on free bets and offers, select yes please. If not, click on no thanks. Enter your address information in the text boxes. After you are done filling in the information, enter your house name or number, enter the postcode, and under Create Login, select a username you would like to use for your account. Create a password for your account on the next field, and then if you've got a bonus code, type it in right here. Click on this little box at the bottom that certifies that you are at least 18 years of age and you've agreed to the terms and conditions, privacy policies, and etc. After you are done, click on the Join Bet365 button at the bottom of the screen. And then you might need to verify your account identity, so go ahead and upload an identity document for yourself and then follow the steps till the end in order to verify yourself and finish off your account creation. And that is how you'll be able to open a new Bet365 account. How to log in to Bet365 account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To log into Bet365 account, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter on your keyboard. Bet365 is an online gambling company offering sports betting and casino type games. Once you end up in the official web page, to log into your existing account, click the login link at the top right, which will bring up the pop-up menu where you can easily enter your username and password associated with your Bet365 account. Start off by typing in your valid username. Make sure to enter the correct one. And on the next field, enter your correct password as well. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Join Now button and follow the instructions till the end in order to register yourself first. If you are having trouble remembering your credentials, click on this Having Trouble Login In link and follow the instructions to look for your credentials. After typing in the correct username and password, click Login in order to access to your Bet365 account. How to watch games on Bet365. The Bet365 will let you watch thousands of games online. With Bet365, you can watch sport events while betting at the same time. So if you want to watch games from Bet365, then simply go ahead and open up a web browser. Also make sure that you are logged into your Bet365 account. Type in www.bet365.com and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. If you've not registered yet for Bet365, then you'll need to create an account and log into it. From the main homepage of Bet365, after logging in, access to the live streaming section. Once you are done, select the event you would like to stream and then click on the chosen event in order to start watching. Remember that your account must have sufficient funds in order to watch the game. That is how you can easily stream games on Bet365 account. How to change language on Bet365 account. If you would like to change the display language on your Bet365 account but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.bet365.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged in to your Bet365 account. From the main homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right and select the preference option right next to account. Click on the language drop down and select your preferred language. From the options displayed, you can change between multiple language of your choice by simply giving it a click. And there you have successfully changed your language on Bet365. Pretty easy, isn't it? How to change your Bet365 account's password. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Bet365 account as well. And then, once you're inside the main home page, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Soon after you open up a pop-up, go and click on the My Account button under Account. This will open up your contact details page. Go ahead and select the password option from the left hand side menu. Enter the current password that you use for your Bet365 account in the first text box. Now, on the next field, enter the new password you'd like to change to. Finally, click on the update button and click continue in the pop-up, and there you have successfully changed your password for Bet365. Once you make this change, you'll need to log in back to your account with your username and the new password you just created. Enter your username and the new password in the text boxes and click login, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Bet365 account with the new password. How to reset Bet365 account's password. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter. You'll end up on the official webpage of Bet365. Click on the login button at the top right and enter your username and password to access to your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the Having Trouble Login in link. Enter your username associated with your Bet365 account and then click the Next button. You can choose whether you'd like to receive a reset code via email or via SMS. If you choose via SMS, follow the instructions till the end. You need to enter your date of birth for security reasons and click Next. You can also choose via email option and enter your email address that is associated with the account. After you do that, click on Get a Reset Code and enter the password reset code that has been sent to you via email. Open up your email inbox and open up the email received from Bet365. Once you click open the inbox, copy the code that you received and then get back to the Bet365 website and type in the code. Now enter your date of birth information and enter the new password you'd like to create for your account and click on Create New Password. Log in back to your Bet365 account with your username and the new password that you reset to and click on the Login button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log in back to your Bet365 account with the new password you reset to, even if you've forgotten your password during logging in. How to delete Bet365 account. If you'd like to delete your Bet365 account, then here's how you can easily do it. Open up a web browser or your Bet365 mobile application. Into the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of Bet365. Make sure you log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right and enter your username and password in the respective text boxes. Click the login button after you are done and you'll be logged into your Bet365 account. From the main homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right and in the options, select My Activity option in the pop-up. Under Gambling Controls, select Account Closure and go through the information first. Remember that once you decide to close your account and proceed, you will no longer be able to deposit funds or play in any of the product from Bet365. If you wish to reopen your account during the period, you need to answer the additional security questions to safeguard your account. Under Closure Period, you can go ahead and select the duration or the time period you'd like the account to be closed. Select from the drop-down and you can choose between 1 week, 1 month, 3 months period to indefinitely whenever you want to turn it back again, or you can choose indefinitely so that you can reopen your account whenever you want. You can also choose the Until option and select a date that you'd like your account to reactivate on and select your main reason why you are trying to delete your account. Finally, click the Continue button and enter your password for your Bet365 account in the password text box. After you type in the correct password, click the Continue button and your account closure request has been processed. You will now be logged out of your Bet365 account, and that is how you can easily delete your Bet365 account if you no longer want to use it. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.